Come here, baby. Show the audience your new found sweater or jacket thing. Onyx, come here. Come here, baby. Get up here. Good boy. This is the first time you wear this, ain't it? Huh, Onyx? Why are you so shy? Why are you so shy, my love? Show the audience your crazy hairdo. My crazy hairless Chinese crescent. Look at this beauty. Look at his skin. Ah! Oh, show me your paw. You're such a good boy, aren't you? What, you're so fancy, don't touch the face. Look at him, look at him. Don't touch the face. Please, don't touch the face. So fancy, nigga. Look, you put a coat on a dog and then look what it automatically does. Look. Don't touch the face. Moves his face away from my hand. Freaking fancy dogs. I can never get enough of this one. This little sucker. What, are you getting sleepy on camera too? Sleeping on the job? You crazy little Chinese hairless crescent, you. Attack. 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 Good boy. Attack. Good boy. Attack. 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 Show 'em what you can do. Milito! Attack! Super Saiyan! Super Saiyan! No, you won't! No, you won't! Super Saiyan! Malicious dog! Hairless Crescent! Kobe Bryant! Hiya! Shaquille O'Neal sucks! Oh my god! He bit me!